get ready. And I'm gonna add some black pepper that I just ground, like that much or so, and some thyme, rosemary, and garlic powder. I'm gonna mix it really good. So here I got about 5 pounds of prime ribs here that I bought from the store earlier yesterday, and you can see it's a beautiful piece of meat here. And I'm gonna first marinate it with combinations of salt, pepper, and chicken powder. Gonna spread these on it just like that. And the beef here, I had to sit outside for about maybe a couple hours. So just spread all these salt and pepper on it nice and as much as you can. That will do now. Add a cup of beef broth. Cup of water. I'm gonna make gravy at the end. Then I'm gonna add some carrots. Onion. You can put celery in this, but I don't have celery, so I'm just gonna use what I have at home. Don't want to go to the market. And some green onion. We're gonna place our piece of meat on the top. Just like that. And I'm going to spread a little bit more of the pepper. Salt and pepper that I had earlier left over from the previous. Right there. Go check the prime rib. Ooh. good. Butter. Oh, look at this, guys. I think it's looking good. So we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And then some of these fried garlic. I love these fried garlic. They go really well with it. And it's ready. Serve it with the prime rib. So I'm making some gravy using the drip from the prime ribs that I made, and adding some cornstarch and black peppers and a little bit of chicken powder and salt. And here's the gravy. It's gonna go with the mashed potato that I made also. This is going to be serving with the prime ribs. Some mashed potato. All done.